Hello, my name is Tayfun, and in this section, we will learn how to reverse engineer the malwares and disassemble using IDA. And code analysis is often used to understand the inner workings of a malicious binary when the source code is unavailable. In previous lecture, you learned the GDRI and you learned the code analysis skills and techniques to interpret assembly code and to understand the program's functionality. And the programs that we used were simple C programs, but when you're dealing with a malware, it can contain thousands of lines of code and hundreds of functions, and making it difficult to keep track of all of the variables and functions. Code analysis tool offers various features to simplify the code analysis, and this section will introduce one of such code analysis tools named IDA Pro, also known as IDA, and you will learn how to leverage the features of IDA Pro to enhance your assembly. Before we delve into the features of IDA, let's go over different code analysis tools firstly. And we have the disassembler here. So disassembler. Assembler. So disassembler is a program that translates machine code back to assembly code. And here, let's actually close it down. So we also have a debugger that is a program which also disassembles the code. Apart from that, it allows you to compile the binary in a controlled manner. Using debuggers, you can execute a single instruction or selected functions instead of entire program. The debugger allows you to perform dynamic code analysis and helps you determine the aspects of the suspect binary while it is running. And the compiler is a program that translates the machine code into the code in a high-level language, also known as pseudocode. And the compilers can greatly assist you with the reverse engineering process and can simplify your work. And now let's use this static code analysis using IDA, the IDA here. So Hexrace IDA Pro is the most powerful and popular commercial disassembler or debugger. And here we can download it from their official website here. It is also has the two versions where the one is the paid version and another is the free version. And here, and as you can see, we have the write the hex race here, race, and after that, we'll see something like hexrace.com, and we will download to we will download that program here right now. And here we are waiting for the response here. And here we will click on the first result here, and as you can see here we have the versions. In this lecture we have the IDA version 8.3, and we will go to products here, and as you can see here we have several downloads and products here. So we have the IDA free binary code analysis tool to evaluate IDA's basic functionalities. We have the IDA home. This is an affordable tool for reverse engineering hobbyists, and the IDA Pro, the state-of-the-art binary code analysis tool, as they say, and IDA Teams collaborative reverse engineering tool. And we will use the free version for now because some of the students don't wanna spend money. I don't want to either because there's a free and open source alternatives, but this is a pretty popular tool, so I wanted to include this in this section here. And as you can see here, what's included in the pack, so we can analyze the both 32-bit and 64-bit applications. We have the cloud-based the compiler, and we can save analysis results and perpetual license. And as you can see here, IDA for minimum system requirements, we need to either Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. And here uh, we can download the IDA Pro for the Mac and Mac ARM. And in this case, since we are using the Windows, we will download on the Windows here. We will click on the first option, and also we have the CHA 256 checksums here, so you can check the checksums to make sure that the program is correctly downloaded without any manipulation by the attackers here. And here, as you can see here now, the IDA free is downloading. And also in this section and later sections, we will look at various features of IDA Pro, and you will learn how to use IDA to perform static code analysis, also called disassembly. And it's not possible to cover all the features of IDA, only those features that are relevant to malware analysis and reverse engineering mainly. And if you are interested in gaining deeper understanding of IDA Pro, it is recommended to play with it, and analyze more files to gain experience. And if you are using you can also download the demo version, but you need to write a mail, so they will do the demo version here. And using these versions, you will be able to try out almost the features covered in this course here. So if you wish to look at an alternative tool for debugging 32-bit and 64-bit binary, you can use the x64 debug or ODBG here, as you can see here, and you can also use the GDRA here with several plugins, and which is covered in this section. And with an understanding of different versions of IDA, now, after downloading it, we will explore its features, and you will understand how it can speed up your reverse engineering and malware analysis tasks. And here, as you can see, it's already installed. We'll open it, not installed, downloaded here, and we will click on Run. Yes, here. Next. After reading, click on Accept the agreement. Gonna accept the agreement and click on Next here. This is the installation directory. Leave it default. And setup is now ready to begin installing IDA Freeware 8.3 on your computer. Now we will click on Next, and as you can see here, it's installing. That's it. IDA Pro is installed in our Windows machine, and in next lecture we will begin to use it. I'm waiting you in the next lecture.